Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to remove Monopoly Go from Facebook. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Facebook application and you will see an interface that will look something like this. Here you'll have to simply navigate to your menu by clicking on your profile icon at the top right side of the screen. Now on this page, scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. Now after clicking on Settings and Privacy, you will see this page. We'll have to click on Settings. Now, after click on Settings, it will take you to this page where you'll have to search for Your Activity section. Now, when you click on Your Activity, it will show you some options where you will see Apps and Websites. Click on this option and it will open up this page. Here, click on Monopoly Go option. So here you will see all the apps that will be linked with your Facebook account. Simply click on Monopoly Go, then you will see this page where you will see the remove button at the top under Monopoly Go. Click on remove and click on remove button again. Now, when you click on remove here in the last step, it will simply remove Monopoly Go from Facebook. So that's how you remove Monopoly Go from Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.